One, two, three. Everybody clap your hands. Come on, let's go.
El corazón, que se venga el corazón.
Finishing that drink again and we'll get some.
I didn't say it. I didn't say it.
Buenos días, señor.
Inside.
Terminó ya.
¿Qué pasa? Vamos.
Okay. Yes, no time, I say. Okay, people, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Welcome to Benidorm.
Welcome.
We are from Colombia, Brazil, Venezuela, and Cuba. And we start the performance only 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Please, if you like the performance, you clap. Screen. If you don't like, you still clap. When I count three, everybody clap your hand. Okay, are you ready, man?
Ready, boys.
1, 2, 3. Everybody clap your hand. Come on, let's go. Yes, oh my God. Yeah, boy. Listen, my friend from Brazil. Brazil is amazing. 1, 2, oh my God. Oh my God. Make some noise from Brazil.
Tengo una .40 y una gata para pegar, que con ese culo el culo te revienta. Voy a andar en esa mini que estamos haciendo.
All right. The next one from Colombia. Okay, look at my friend. Colombia is hot. Oh my God, man. That's my friend. Let's go, let's go. Look at this, Colombia is coming. Look at my friend. Oh my God. Everybody clap, clap, clap. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, boys. Wow. Come on, come on. From Venezuela. Look at my friend from Venezuela. Oh my goodness. Yes, 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 yes. Let's go, boys. Everybody clap, clap. Okay, where are you from? England. That's enough for England. Where are you from?
England.
England. That's enough for England. Oh my God. England and England. Venezuela, Brazil, Peru, Cuba. Now, thank you for staying here. Welcome. Now, this is the real final, okay? My friend from Brazil, jump over this. All right, please, don't move. If you move, don't come back to England. Ready, Brazil? Ready. Ready, England? Okay, come on. Wait. People, when I country, everybody clap. DJ, ready? 1, 2, 3. Everybody clap your hands. Come on. Okay, my friend, jump. In 1, 2, 3. Let's go, boy. Look at this. Really. Good. Oh my God. All right, people. Thank you. Thank you so much. If you like the performance, if you want a contribution, my friend is coming with the club. Remember, we are 7 dancers. If you give me €5, thank you so much. If you give me €10,